really just can't get over how smooth this car is. You don't hear any squeaks or rattles or anything like that. You don't really feel the engine working super hard. It's just like, it's a very leisurely drive. And it's so easy to drive that you could literally drive it with a couple fingers. It's so simple. Of course, it's not a sporty driving experience, but again, it's not like leaning super hard left to right like, you know, maybe some of the earlier GM cars do. And there I go again. I was trying to signal, but I turned on the wipers. And since this car only has 50,000 miles, and given the fact that it is a Toyota, I bet you this car is going to be going for a really, really long time. And whoever ends up getting this car is genuinely going to enjoy it for what it is. I mean, it is such a wonderful drive. This would be something that you would want to take on a long road trip and just kind of kick back. Especially if you're the backseat passenger, you really get to enjoy the drive. I mean, it is just something else back there. But even as the driver, I don't feel fatigued or anything like that. The car just kind of feels like it's doing what it was born to do. And it's just to cruise around. I have no real intentions of wanting to drive this car fast or hard. All I really want to do is just like waft around in it. I just want to cruise, even if it's at 20 miles per hour or 60 miles per hour. It just kind of has the same outcome, and it's just unrefined luxury, especially on the highway too. I'm sure that this is just an absolute cruiser. Something you could just turn the cruise control on and just kind of let it do its thing. And out of all the right-hand drive cars that I've driven, I feel like this one makes me feel the most comfortable for some reason. It definitely was a little bit of a learning curve when driving right-hand drive cars, but in this one, I don't think it really bothers me that much that I'm sitting on the other side of the road, even in America. It just makes me want to enjoy it a little bit more. I know you can go out and you can buy a Lexus LS 400 and, you know, maybe the engine and the engineering behind it is going to be relatively similar, but you're not even going to come close to the amount of features and the amount of charm that you're going to get like this car. This just feels so incredibly special. As you look out on the front of the hood, you can see both of the fender mirrors, and I don't know, there's something about it when you're driving this. It just feels so cool. Feel like a real executive. Can you imagine getting picked up in this as like an Uber ride or something? Wouldn't that be something? But I think I'm gonna end the video here. So thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.